It's New Year. I packed my camera and my drone and headed away with my husband and some friends to a small town a couple of hours away from Sydney. It had been a pretty crazy year for us, and it kind of feels surreal to think about all that happened. That's a video for another day. This town is pretty small, but it had what all country towns have here in Australia, which is a pub. The next morning, we made our way to a huge lake in town on what was probably the only sunny day.
We'll have to go opposite side.
The wind pushed us over to the other side of the lake. I was too scared to walk out in the swampy reeds, so we had to paddle back to the shore with our hands over about 40 minutes. I also had the chance to send out my drone from a lookout. I can't really get over some of this footage. I haven't used my drone all that much yet, but sometimes I look at it and sort of doesn't feel real. We had dinner and watched the sunset. Sunsets are wild out here in the country.
Off on our cold run.
It's so cold right now.
It is minus 16 degrees. There's snow everywhere. Not.
We were heading on a route Rob had run when he was here about 12 months earlier. Honestly, it was so nice to run in the cold. The last few weeks I've run in mostly 80% plus humidity, around 30 degrees. It's been brutal. We spent the morning of New Year trying to find the glowworm tunnel out in Newnes, but we went the wrong way and headed back up the mountains, the opposite direction. We stopped by and watched an old train leave on the zigzag railway before turning back, finally head to the glowworm tunnel. They're pretty hard to catch on camera, but you can kind of see them if you squint. Believe it or not, this here was one of only a few shots I got on New Year's Eve itself. I'm still pretty new to this whole filming thing. One of my resolutions for 2024 was to film more of my life. I used to film a lot as a kid, and it's something that over the years I just never really made time for. I really hope that will change.
There's always something around the corner, something more to be found. And I'm sure the coasts of California are beautiful right now. And New York sky shines so bright, but to tell you the truth, honey, I just wanna call home to you. Honey, I just wanna call.
Thank you so much for being here. See you in the next video.
Honey, I just want